Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Samurai Sudoku. This intriguing puzzle expands on the classic game by presenting 5 interconnected 9x9 grids. You'll find 4 outer grids, each sharing a 3x3 block with the central grid. The fundamental objective remains to fill every empty cell with a digit from 1 to 9, ensuring no repeats within any row, column, or 3x3 block across all 5 puzzles. It's a fantastic challenge for Sudoku enthusiasts. Let's look at the unique layout. You'll notice a prominent 9x9 Sudoku grid right in the center. Surrounding this core are 4 more standard 9x9 grids, each strategically placed. The key to Samurai Sudoku lies in how these grids connect. Each of the 4 outer puzzles shares exactly one 3x3 block with the central grid. This overlap means numbers in these specific blocks must satisfy the rules for 2 different Sudoku puzzles simultaneously, adding an exciting layer of complexity. The core rules of classic Sudoku apply to each of the 5 grids individually. This means that within any single 9x9 grid, every row must contain the digits 1 through 9 exactly once. The same rule applies to every column and every 3x3 block within that grid. The unique challenge arises in the shared 3x3 blocks, where a number must be valid for both the central grid and its overlapping outer grid. To tackle Samurai Sudoku effectively, begin by identifying and solving the simpler, less constrained areas within any of the 5 grids. Pay special attention to the 4 overlapping 3x3 blocks, as these shared sections often yield crucial numbers that impact 2 grids simultaneously. Always look for cells where only one digit can logically fit. Employing pencil marks to track potential candidates for each empty cell is a highly recommended strategy to manage the complexity and guide your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.